This is how we saw pasta getting made in just 60 seconds.
We, the students from Nexis School of Business, are here at Pastiano, one of the largest pasta factories in the entirety of North Bengal.
Our students had the amazing opportunity to visit Northeast's most loved pasta brand, Pastiano, right here in Siliguri. From humble beginnings to becoming a household name, Pastiano continues its journey with one goal: serving quality, authentic pasta to every plate.
So now we're about to head into the pasta factory to understand how the pasta making process works.
A behind-the-scenes tour gave us insights into their production process, from raw ingredients to shaping, drying, and packing with precision.
Can you guess how much pasta does this factory generate in 1 month? We make 2,000 metric tons pasta per month here.
Watching the production line was nothing short of fascinating. From raw ingredients to perfectly shaped pasta, everything was a blend of precision, technology, and fashion.